How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Now, yes, I am back on Forex. I literally made the switch back to Nasdaq like a week ago or something, but I am back to Forex. Now, the reason this is the end, guys, for real. Like, I am trading Forex. I am not going back to Nasdaq. This is the end. Like, if Forex is like, they say it's like the flipping, like, it's the best thing to do during London session. Like, everyone who trades London session trades Forex because they say it's the best. Why am I trading Nasdaq? Because I said this to my friend the other day as well, because it doesn't take 8 years for my take profit to get hit. The reason why I trade Nasdaq is because it's more day trading. It's like you're in and out of the market in like an hour or 2 hours. With this, it takes so long. So what I did was, I was like, fuck it, let me trade GBP, JPY or Forex, but use my lower time frame strategy. Because if I use my high time frame strategy on Nasdaq, first of all, I won't hit any trades because this fucking London session doesn't move. And second of all, it will probably take long to hit TP again. So that's why now I am gonna use my lower time frame strategy on GBP, JPY. Well, it depends. Sometimes it might break structure on the 5 minute and thing, but let me just explain it because I kind of switched it up a bit, the strategy. Because basically there's this website called FX Replay. I got a 5-day free trial on it, so yeah, like I just tried. I did like 6-7 hours of backtesting a day. Like, I've just tried to backtest as much as I can for that 5 days, and it's a really good website as well because it tracks down everything, like your win rate, your risk to reward, all the trades you take. Like, it takes down everything. It's a full-on thing, backtesting website, like literally for backtesting. It has everything you need, everything. If you guys want to backtest, then definitely use that. It's FX Replay. But yeah, let's just get into it. So my bias today was bearish. We also had news as well. We had Gov Bailey speaking at 10:15, but we trade 8 to 10, should be fine. And I actually took my trade before and closed it before news, so we were all good. There was 2 trades I could have took today. The one that I took was before the next one. The next one would have been banging differently. But yeah, let's get into it. So my bias today was bearish because the 4 hour was in a downtrend and the 1 hour was in an uptrend. So that just told me that 1 hour is in an uptrend because the 4 hour was retracing up to sweep out these highs, which is also it's also Asian session highs of the same day and the day before. Yeah, so the day before and today, both Asian session highs and 4 hours. So that is like strong liquidity. Like, price, it must play off it. That's how you got to think in it. But yeah, so I marked up my 1 hour highs and lows, 15-minute highs and lows. We go on to the 5 minute. Now, normally I would wait for a 1 minute break of structure for my lower time frame strategy, but what I'm trying to do now is I wait for a 5 minute break of structure. Once I get the 5 minute break of structure, I go to the 1 minute and then I look for a 1 minute confidence to get filled. So where did the 5 minute break structure? The 5 minute broke structure with this, why is it blue? 5 minute broke structure with that candle. Move on to the 1 minute. So it's basically around here where the thing broke structure. So it's probably 27, 28, 29. Yep, it was basically this that broke structure because that 5 minute candle closed there. Once that broke structure, I go into the 1 minute and I wait for a 1 minute confluence to get fit. So make a couple candles. We come up, we touch this fair value gap. We're already in a downtrend. We get selling power out of it. Enter right there, stops above this candle, the second candle in the fair value gap, and my take profit was down at this 15-minute low. It was meant to be at this. Well, I was gonna put a first take profit here and then a second one here, but I want to start thinking as well. what's it called, like I don't want to always set like 2 take profits, because that's just limiting the amount of money I'm making. Obviously it's not about the money, but you know, there's no point, if that makes sense. It's a 2.75 risk to reward. If it was like a, I don't know, if it was like here, I would have therefore had 2 take profits, but here it's fine. Price actually came down quite a lot more as well. So yeah, I entered there just 1 take profit, which got hit in how many minutes? Around 25 minutes, I think. And I think this is the first time I've took a trade on Forex where I've hit take profit in less than 2 hours. I'm not even saying 30 minutes, less than 2 hours. And I'm gonna be real, like, price action isn't too good for Forex these days. I will not be trading in August, because August price action is something else. It is shit. It makes sense. Everyone's on holiday. That's what, no one's trading. The market's not moving, so that makes sense. But hopefully in September it, like, you know, brings back old price action. But anyways, we can't really complain about that. The market does whatever the fuck it wants to do. Now the second trade I could have took was this one. Now this is a 15-minute low. Because it's a 15-minute low that got taken out, on entering on the 1 minute wouldn't be too much of a problem. Like, you don't even need to wait for a 5-minute break of structure. But this was a session high and the 1 hour high. That's why waiting for a 5-minute break of structure is pretty important there. So we broke structure. We also inversed all these fair value gaps there, and we came back down. We broke structure to the downside. Where do I enter? So we broke structure to the upside, create this fair value gap. Price comes back down into it. We touch the fair value gap, and then we get a break of structure where, well, we inverse this fair value gap, so we could probably just enter off of that. So it's here, stops below here, and take profit up at session highs. So this would have been a better trade, but it doesn't really matter. Our trade was still good. It was the first one there, and first come first serves. So yeah, today was a good day. Happy to be back to Forex, guys. This is it though, no more going back. So before, actually, you know what, I'm gonna make a separate video explaining the strategy that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to explain it in this one. Right, we didn't trade yesterday because Japan bank holiday. But yeah, so I'm going to quickly, well, I don't know if I'll make it today. I probably will, but I don't know if I'll upload it today. Just so, like, you know, not 2 videos in one day. Like, I might just do one tomorrow, but we'll see anyways. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time I trade.